Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, January 21st, 2021. Today is Think About It Thursday. Our quote for the day is, "No one is perfect. That's why pencils have erasers. Everybody makes mistakes. I make plenty of mistakes all the time. But it's how you fix those mistakes and keep going that makes the difference. So keep trying, keep working to do your best and fixing mistakes when you see them." Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's breakfast is strudel or muffin, and for lunch, it's chicken wings. Tomorrow's breakfast is chicken biscuit, and tomorrow's lunch is deli sandwich. Today's one and only birthday is Landon Richardson. Happy birthday, Landon. Some important dates coming up. Next Monday, we will start our iReady second diagnostic window. We'll test all week. So that means our data chats are happening this week. We are talking with our students about their goals for their second diagnostic, and we are getting pumped up to show what we know next week. Also, on Thursday, January 28th, PST was moved from Wednesday, so be ready for that. A couple of announcements. Every single student in the school should have a backpack tag that helps our teachers get them to the correct place in the afternoons and sometimes in the mornings. Please check your backpacks this morning and get any tags needed. If you need some tags, reach out to someone if you're not able to come to the office, and we will make sure you get what you need. Students, make sure you are listening carefully for your number in the afternoons. We are having to look for some of the same people over and over each afternoon. So make sure you are being a good listener. Make sure your listening ears are turned on, especially during dismissal. We have a shout out this morning. Shout out to Miss Brown. Miss Brown is our student teacher friend that is with Miss Hogan and Miss Duberg, and she is awesome. She was a trooper yesterday and helped out in Miss Bolton's class during dismissal time so that all of Miss Bolton's friends got where they needed to be. So thank you, Miss Brown. Shout out to you for being a super helper. That's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday. Kate Shepherd